Hello everybody. Oh, let me just see if the video. Okay, so it has started. Hello everybody, I am Fireball and welcome back in another video where today I will be playing Survive and Kill Area 51 monsters. I'm here with my brother. Slenderman! Hey. This book. Mande. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the little interruption. I'll be right back. I am back. Sorry for having to make you wait a bit. And I'm about to go in right now. I don't know where my brother's at. Here's my baby brother. I just don't know where. Oh, here's my brother. Let's go. Don't kill yourself. Okay, so guys, I almost killed myself, and we'll go down through this entry. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I'm playing with my little brother, my big brother, my friend, and myself. Oh my goodness, scream. Ah! Stupid Slenderman. Why is it always you? Just why? Oh no, I went through the wrong entrance. It's the same thing. Oh no, not you, Freddy Kitchen. Oh no, that's Freddy Krueger. I'll see you later. Sayonara. No. Okay. Here is my friend. Here's my baby brother, my actual brother, my big brother, I meant to say, just died. So we'll just wait for him a bit. Okay, so guys, we're almost. Okay, so I'm closing the door. Okay, so now that freaking green blob thingy is going to be inside our secret entry. Okay, so now this is gonna be a bit stressing. I think that we can do it. Okay, guys, we can do it. Okay. Okay, so I'm in here, and this music is so loud. Oh, there's that music, this thunder noise. Why are you still in here? Why? Okay, so as soon as I get in there, I gotta close the door, okay? Oh, I could just go in through here. Okay, now where is everyone actually? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've let him out, which is, okay, well, that's very good actually. Okay, so guys, I gotta run. Yeah, okay. Okay, now that's just mean of you. Oh no. Okay, so I went to the wrong entrance, okay guys? I'm sorry, okay guys, but this is just not gonna do. This was never the way to the shotgun. It was this way. And I got killed by you! Okay, so why is this so difficult? Okay, last time I played this, there weren't so many monsters. Okay, I hope my life regenerates, and okay. Okay, guys, I'm very stressed out. I'm just stressing, okay? I need to get to the shotgun before they can kill me. Oh, look, here comes my baby. Oh, my brother killed him. Oh no, he killed my friend. He killed my best friend. Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't know, this isn't just my friend. He's my best friend. We've known each other since 3rd grade. And now, okay, so we are going. Oh, what's up, my lady? You help me, don't you? Yes. Okay, so guys, if you guys didn't know, this girl is an absolute good person. Oh goodness, no. No! Okay, sorry for taking on my anger like this. Just stressing. Now, and I've lost my shotgun. Okay, why? Okay, I'm very stressed out. I've only killed 8 killers while my brother's killed 10. Okay, I don't know what. I don't know if he's been playing more than I have. Because I played this once. Ah! Okay. I get what you're doing here. I see what's going on here. You're freaking. I see what's going on here. You're freaking stupid killers, and it's true. What can I say? Okay. How much more times have I got left? Oh! Cactus. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna skip this to where I get the shotgun. Okay, to where I actually will. So guys, I haven't got the shotgun yet, but I'm still trying, okay? Because there are so many killers in where I come in from. Okay? So this is very stressful.
No!
Oh no, goodness, no.
No,
Oh
me la
no,
saqué.
oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 oh no. Oh my goodness, get the life out of me. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna try to get further on in this game. Just a regular businessman here. What would you like to do? Okay, so guys, I managed to get killed 2 times by freaking Sonic. I refuse to go into this entrance, but I will have to go. Ah! Sorry for the scream, okay guys? Okay, so I'm going behind my best friend right now, and he's dead.
Oh, ya había Carlos.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm gonna die. ¡Atrás! 9-5. Oh, I was actually speaking in Spanish. Sorry. 9. Did you guys see that freaking code? I didn't close the door on them.
Oh, ya
Was I actually recording? Okay, sorry guys, I got stressed and started speaking in Spanish, so they're not in the main entrance right now, they're all the way over here, so I gotta use my chances. I gotta use that to my advantage. The fact that they were all where I went. Why are you guys so freaking... Oh, they killed Granny! Oh, here comes my brother. What's up, dog? Okay, so there's my big brother.
Ya te vi. ¿Qué? Estoy esperando a que se enfríe.
Oh, okay, so guys, I'm almost there. Yes, right where I wanted you to be, my little beautiful shotgun. Oh, Nen, I saw the code. I had seen this code before. I know what the code was. I just gotta get killed. I remember what the code is, okay? Okay, so guys, if you guys didn't know, no, kill me instead. Oh well, they both died. Okay, so guys, if you guys didn't know, there is a secret code, okay? I am not lying to you. There is literally a secret code all the way over here. I don't know where. And guys, this video might have to end, so I might have to make a part 2 of this, okay guys?
Ya te vi, Jeppy. JP, ya te vi.
Okay, so guys. Okay. Oh no, that was a bad idea. Oh no. Oh. Oh God, no. Oh my goodness. Won't you just die? Yes, I won an achievement. 10 kills. Let's go.
¿Qué? Did you
Can I
go
get
to
to 11?
JP, ya te vi. Oh.
Okay, so I could get to 11. Look at all these body parts. Oh yeah. Oh no, I see shadows. Oh no, I see shadows. I need to check how much time I've got left.
Then I can pack a punch to my shopping.
Let's go. Oh no, I accidentally. Okay, go to the place where there's the code and I'll see you there. No, I won't see you there. I'll just tell you the code, okay?
JP, estoy detrás de ti. ¿Qué te da?
Look, hey, nene. The code's all the way over
Oh, no,
here.
no, no, están allá, JP, están nosotros.
Okay. Are you in the code section? Are you in the code section?
No.
Okay, the code is 92569. I gotta write that quick. 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 92569. Okay, because I wanna put in that code. 92569.
Mamá.
Okay, so guys, I've written it down. I'm just gonna take the bus, which is way quicker. Sit down. Just gotta click these buttons. And here we go. Okay, so I'm in. Sorry, dog. But it's gonna be now your problem to get out of there. Oh, it's still Freddy Kitchen. I've been stuck with this guy twice. Just gonna take a picture with him. But we were once stuck. 92569. Just don't tell me what's there, because I want to see it for myself.
La escopeta.
Oh, don't tell me what it is.
Esta es la cerraría, JP. La escopeta, ¿cómo disparas? Vaya.
Oh, okay, there's Jesse. Oh no. Ah! Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so I guess I better end the video here. I'll make a part 2, okay, guys? Don't worry about it. Right now, I'm just in the video, okay? Bye, and I'll see you later in the part 2.